government has plunged a lot of youth into perpetual poverty. This government that came to loot, create loot, have completely sold the entire destiny of this country. So therefore I'm calling on the Holy Father, Pope Francis, to ask the entire bishops in Ghana to embark on a holy protest war against the wicked government. The leader of the protest should be Archbishop Amaboko. He should lead in the front. Those leading at the back should be Bishop Asare, Bishop John Louis. The Jama leader should be my own parish priest, Emmanuel Salifu, together with his sisters. They should lead a Jama group. It appears the Christian Council. All of them have all sold their destiny. Akufo-Addo has no respect for them. The only body that Akufo-Addo has respect for is the Catholic Church. Therefore, the Holy Father, call your bishops in Ghana, ask them to embark on a holy protest against this wicked regime. In our country, we cannot breathe fresh air. The looting is too much. Guys, we are not going to relent. December, we are shutting down the entire street, like what we did on Saturday. For you, Ghana police, we are doing this thing for you guys. We are not your enemies. My father is a retired police officer. I have lived in the barracks. I know that the proper state of the barracks. Most of you have turned yourself into party police. Ghana first before any political party. We are not your enemies. Ghana first before any political party. Mensa, we are hitting the electoral commission. Mensa, you have no right to differentiate any Ghanaian. You have already created the looting. You have already created the stealing of our vote by this useless limited registration you are doing. Mensa, we are coming to that EC. We are coming to that EC office. Ghana does not belong to Akufo-Addo. This country does not belong to their mama and their papa to be printing currency. Guys, God bless you. God bless you.